To record your presentation for the CIRSE 2020 Summit, please make sure you have the following technical setup available. You should have a laptop or desktop computer with Windows or Mac OS. If you're using a laptop, make sure that your laptop is plugged into the power supply and does not automatically go into standby mode. You will also need a webcam and the Zoom desktop client. You will need headphones and/or an external microphone. Make sure that your microphone is not touching your clothes or your hair. Ensure that all applications that are not in use during the recording are closed, and mute your smartphone, including turning off the vibration, and remove it from the table in order to avoid distractions. Choose a neutral background and make sure that there are no background noises and that nobody will enter the room while you are recording. If possible, lighting should only come from above or in front of you. It's not advisable to sit in front of a window. Choose a comfortable seating position and make sure that your head and shoulders are clearly visible in the camera frame. Keep in mind that positioning your webcam at approximately eye level will result in a more flattering video. During recording, try to remember to move as little as possible to avoid noise being picked up by the microphone. Be sure to speak directly into the microphone and avoid touching the microphone. Speak clearly and more slowly than normal. To start the recording, close all applications except Zoom and your presentation application, for example, PowerPoint. Before you start your recording, click on the gear icon in the top right corner of the Zoom screen to open settings. Adjust video settings as shown on the screen. Adjust the audio settings as shown and test that your microphone is working. Adjust your recording settings as shown and select the location where you would like to save your recording. Start a new meeting from the Home tab in the Zoom client. Click Share Screen in the Meeting Control panel. Select the window with your presentation file, tick Share Computer Sound, and click the Share button on the right. Maximize the window with the speaker video and move it as far to the right as possible. If you don't see the speaker video, click More and then click Show Video Panel. Switch the presentation application, for example PowerPoint, to presentation mode. When you're all set up and ready, start the recording by clicking More and then Record in the Meeting Control panel. Then give your lecture. When you have finished your lecture, click More and then End on the Meeting Control panel. Then click End Meeting for All. Zoom will automatically convert the recording file. If you have trouble finding the file on your computer, please return to the Zoom Home tab and select Meetings in the top navigation. Open the MP4 file and check the quality of the presentation. Are both the speaker and the presentation visible? Is the sound quality all right? The trailing and leading parts of the video will be trimmed before the presentation, so there's no need for you to edit these yourself. If you're fine with the recording, please save the MP4 file under a new name, including the presenter's name and presentation number. To avoid compatibility problems, please do not use any special characters in your file name. Do not use any passwords or encryption for your files. Please make sure to upload your recorded presentation file to the CIRSE presentation system. Please check your email for access information.